Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be trying out a 3-in-1 hair mask by Garnier. I've just bought it. It is the Ultimate Blends Nourishing Hair Food Banana and Shea. So this one's for dry hair, and with all the colouring and everything that I like to do in my hair, I thought this might be good. So I thought I'd give it a go with using only this and shampoo to wash my hair. But it can be used as conditioner, a hair mask, and as a leave-in conditioner. And for me, it's really rare to find a product that I can use just by itself. So I thought, let's give it a go, a one product testing. So I've just washed my hair, so you can see that right now.
The.Audio.Lab.
Okay, so I'm just using Argan Oil of Morocco shampoo. I like to do 2 shampoos so it gets all the product and gel out of my hair. I usually wash my hair every week and a half. And during that time leading up to it, I do quite a few hairstyles. So by the point of washing, it only really feels clean when I do 2 shampoos. I honestly can't believe how quickly it took to wash my hair. It took 10 minutes in total, and usually I spend half an hour, 40 minutes washing my hair. A majority of that time is detangling, so the slip on this as a conditioner is really, it's great. So moving on to using it as a hair mask now. I've applied it in small sections and I twisted it to keep the moisture in, and I left this in for 3 minutes as it advised on the top. It is so soft.
Oh my god! Wow!
So, hair washed, and straight away, like, I rarely can come out the shower and see curls already. It's usually frizzy straight away, instant frizz. So far so good. It is so soft. As I was using it in the shower, I was just like, oh my god, yes. Like, really soft. So let me put it in as a leave-in conditioner. It says apply a small amount, but with my hair, it just soaks up all the moisture. So I'm just gonna put loads on the bottom, because that's where it's most dry and dead, and then work my way up. And I detangled in the shower, so I'm just gonna run my fingers through my hair. And I'm really annoyed because I left my Denman brush in Birmingham and I'm in London at the moment, so I can't use that right now, but that's okay. Fingers will have to do. And it said it can be applied on dry hair too, but I find that with my hair, just in general, any product I put on it when it's dry, it just kind of like sits on the top of my head, like as a layer on my hair. So I'd probably use it when it's wet, like as the leave-in conditioner. Okay, so it usually takes a couple of hours for my hair to dry. I like to leave it to air dry. So I'm gonna go away, let it dry, and then I'll come back to you when it's ready. Guys, look at my hair. No, I've never seen one product actually do this. There's hardly any frizz, like there's some up here near the roots, yeah, but oh, no, I'm actually so surprised. Like, look at this. It's very light, so if I was to actually use this product as a leave-in conditioner, I'd probably have it with something to hold the curls and probably some oil in my roots, but wow. Garnier, well done. Well done. I'm so surprised. Well, yeah, go get yourself one of these hair masks. This one was the one for me. Dry hair, go see which one works for you. But honestly, I really recommend. So that's the end of the video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, keep sharing my videos. It's really helped. We finally hit 100 subscribers, guys. I'm so happy. Thank you. And have a great day.